Shoutout Quick Flow Forwarders at your service tracking company. Quick Flow Forwarders. Ang gaganda ng mga truck, mga bago, malinis. Yung mga gulong, ang gaganda ng gulong, matitibay. Quick Flow Forwarders at your service. Ito yung mga truck ng bali dalawa lang truck nakaparada ngayon. Yung iba nasa Bakaw, Kawit, yung iba nasa biyahe. Quick Flow Forwarders. Yung company nila, kahit na i-search nyo sa Google, Quick Flow Forwarders, nasa Las Piñas, Moonwalk, sa may Moonwalk, may kita yan. May kita doon, Quick Flow Building, may kita yan doon. Yan, Quick Flow Forwarders.